Luxury yachting in the Mediterranean offers an unparalleled blend of elegance, adventure, and exclusivity. Cruising along crystal-clear waters, guests are treated to breathtaking coastlines, secluded coves, and vibrant seaside towns. This unique travel experience is synonymous with privacy and personalized service, catering to the most discerning tastes. The Mediterranean's rich history, diverse cultures, and stunning landscapes make it a premier destination for those seeking both relaxation and sophistication on the open sea.